Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you are missing calls, notifications or messages, it's likely to do not disturb is turned on. In iPhone settings 2026, do not disturb is part of focus mode and turning it off restores all alerts instantly. Okay, so in this guide I will show you step by step how to turn off do not disturb on your iPhone in 2026 like a pro. So go to settings. Okay, this is where focus and notification controls live. So scroll down and tap focus, okay, or type it here on the search bar to not waste time. Okay, so focus controls, do not disturb, and other modes. Okay, so now do not disturb, I want you to tap it. Okay, you will see its main settings. Okay, so toggle do not disturb to off. Notifications will resume immediately. Okay, so confirm do not disturb is disabled. So once off, notifications appear normally, calls ring as usual, new moon icon in the status bar, lock screen alerts return. Okay, so no restart required. Okay, so if do not disturb keeps turning back on, inside do not disturb turn off schedule smart activation. This prevents automatic activation. Okay, so sometimes another focus is active, so go to settings, tap focus, and make sure these are off. Sleep, personal, work, costume, focus modes. Only one focus can be active at a time. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. This was the tutorial about how to turn off do not disturb. Thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.